Angela Kelly is braving the elements out there. She's live in Bellevue. Hi, Ange.
Hey, Rachel, good morning. Well, we've been out here in front of the Quick Trip gas station right off of the GV exit in Bellevue since about 4:15 this morning, actually. Snowflakes are getting bigger, definitely getting more snow out here as the morning progresses. We're almost up to 4 inches. About an hour ago, it seemed like we were only at 3. So snowplow drivers really busy this morning. In fact, I ran into one who was filling up on gas this morning, just drove in from Denmark. Take a look.
I drove from Denmark this morning, and it's not nice out there. The roads are wet and sloppy, and just kind of pulls you all over the place.
Even when you're driving in this big truck like you have here?
Oh yeah, even this too, it still just, once you grab a little bit of snow, it just wants to pull you wherever that runs to. So.
Do you mind if I ask what you do? Are you stuck outside working at all today?
No, I plow snow for Roy Galinsky, so I'm just on my way to the west side of town to go and plow right now.
Wow, I bet you're up for a busy day. Tell me about that.
I'm not sure how it's going to be yet, but I know it's going to be a long day. I know that. So.
How do you stay energized? Do you listen to music in the truck, or what do you do?
Yeah, listen to music, keep the windows open a little bit to keep fresh air moving in, and drink a lot of soda.
Any idea how many places you got to plow out yet today?
No, not yet. I'll find out when I get there.
That was Jamie Whip from Denmark, and boy, is he and a lot of other snowplow drivers going to have a long day here with the arrival of Blizzard Brianna. Live in Bellevue, we'll toss it back to you.
All right, thanks, Ange.